Now on to our city in turmoil coverage.
A candidate for Riviera Beach city manager got into a shouting match with police this afternoon, and Contact 5 investigator Wanda Moore live with the video you'll see only on 5. Wanda?
Michael and Kelly, twice the Riviera Beach City Council debated the merits of hiring Lydia Smith as city manager, despite the fact that she has no previous government experience. I've reported previously on an encounter she had with police. Today, that escalated. At this city council meeting in February, council members Terrence Davis and Lynn Hubbard voted to hire Lydia Smith as city manager. That motion failed, but minutes later, council voted to change the city manager job description, eliminating the need for government experience. Days later, code enforcement asked Smith to move an RV she owns. In this police document, a sergeant notes that Smith called him and he felt threatened by her. The sergeant quotes Smith as saying, quote, "It will not be tolerated, and she was going to be the next city manager and my boss. Do you know what that means, Sergeant?" Smith never did move the RV. That came to a head Monday afternoon when police escorted a tow truck to the area to remove the RV. Smith angrily insisted she didn't commit a code violation. Instead, she said police harassed her for supporting Councilwoman Dawn Pardo in her re-election bid. She used her phone to record the officers and claimed they violated her First Amendment rights. After about an hour, police and the tow truck left. I'm told that Smith is for now allowed to keep her RV parked in her driveway, but she did have to pay for the tow truck. Tomorrow is big election day here. 2 seats on council are up for grabs, including that of Councilwoman Dawn Pardo, who is headed for re-election. Coming up all new at 6, we're reporting on the campaign contributions to all of those candidates, so you don't want to miss that. Reporting live in Riviera Beach, Wanda Moore, WPTV News Channel 5.